This exercise is called lip press. It specifically targets the mouth area, that is your lips, the corners of your mouth, and the stability around your mouth. This is especially relevant if your lips appear rather thin, tend to pull inward, or if fine lines are forming around your mouth and the corners of your mouth tend to point downward. Now pull your lips over your teeth, both upper and lower lip at the same time. Now lift the corners of your mouth slightly back and up, like a gentle, restrained smile. You can use your fingers to stabilize the corners of your mouth. Now stretch your tongue forward and slightly upward. And now the real work begins. Build up some pressure. The lips and teeth gently press against the tongue, and the tongue actively resists. Stay in this tension. Don't let up. Feel how the entire mouth muscle is working. Keep breathing calmly. Hold the tension. Just a few more seconds, and now slowly release. Let your lips become soft again. Take a moment to notice the sensation. When you let go, blood circulation in the lip area is stimulated. This can help make your lips appear fuller and fresher. At the same time, you strengthen the mouth muscle. And this muscle directly influences how stable your lips are and how your mouth corners are aligned. We're going into the second round. Once again, pull your lips over your teeth. Consciously set the position. Lift the corners of your mouth slightly back and up. Now bring your tongue forward and up and build up pressure again. This time, a bit more consciously. Feel how your lips are actively working against your tongue. Hold the tension. Stay present in the movement. Make sure you don't compensate or lose the tension. Keep breathing calmly. Hold. And slowly release. Take a moment to feel the after effects. You might already notice that the area is getting warmer or has better blood flow. That's a good sign. This exercise doesn't just work on the surface, it works directly in the muscle and the tissue. That's the difference. We're going into the final round. Pull your lips over your teeth again, lift the corners of your mouth slightly, move your tongue forward and upward, and now build up pressure once more. Stay active. Hold the tension. Consciously feel how your lips are working. Hold for a moment longer and slowly release. Let everything soften again. This exercise can help with fuller lips, more stable corners of the mouth, and an overall stronger mouth area. It is one building block to reduce the downward pull in the face that often develops over time. For a holistic result, the cheeks and neck also play an important role. But this is exactly where control begins. Stick with it regularly. Your face responds to training.
Free audio post